Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in State Street. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.statestreetbank.com. Once you do this, you will end up in its official page where you can find the section account access. So to enroll or sign up into your account, tap on enroll now. Once you tap on it, you need to now type in the social security number and then your account number as well. After you are done filling in these both credentials, you need to also type in your email address and your phone number. After you are done typing in all the necessary credentials that have been asked, you need to hit the next button and follow the on-screen prompts that are given after you hit the next button. Once you complete the given on-screen prompts on screen, then you will be enrolled or signed up into your State Street Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.